Are you drowning in debris? Overwhelmed by clutter? Introducing Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your premier destination for reliable and efficient dumpster rental in Colerain, Ohio. With a commitment to professionalism and customer satisfaction, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati is here to make your waste management experience stress-free. When managing waste effectively, trust the experts at Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati to provide reliable solutions tailored to your needs. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we understand the importance of timely and efficient waste management. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of all sizes, whether home renovations, construction site cleanups, or commercial projects. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati isn't just about waste management. We are about community, sustainability, and positively impacting the environment. With our easy-to-use online booking system, transparent pricing, and prompt delivery and pickup services, we ensure a seamless experience from start to finish. So why wait? Call us today at 513-586-8313 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Colerain OH to book your dumpster rental in Colerain, Ohio. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your partner in waste management excellence.